Hello, my beautiful people. Oh, there's a bee. um, Hello there. I got home from school 10 minutes ago. Yeah, about that long. I'm in my backyard right now, and I'm going to show you what we found yesterday while we were planting some trees in our front yard. If it's still here, which I hope it is, and I think it is. Bees. I knew. Okay, hold on. There, put it back in. We found this. It is a bird's nest and it has an egg in it. Little egg. Found that in one of the trees we were planting yesterday. They're Leyland cypresses. These. So, yeah, we were planting those yesterday and my dad found that in one of the trees. Which is actually pretty cool. Sad, but cool. Guys like dandelions? They're fun. They're a pest. They're fun. Okay, well, that's my video for today. Tomorrow, not sure what I'm gonna do. I might post a video talking about myself and some stuff that I like and whatnot. But anyways, that's all I have to say for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.